Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm excited to tell you about our new 2024 Bennington 23L. This has the new anthracite gray with the ocean blue, with the deluxe blackout package. This, as I said, is a 23-foot boat, and it's going to have the Mercury V6 200 on it, outboard. I want to hand it over now to Scott Holmes, and he's going to go over all the new and exciting things in 2024 in the inside of this boat.
Thanks, Scott. This boat has the graphite interior package with the ocean blue diamond pleated inserts. This does have what they call the 80% cutout. This is a great spot to put cell phones, sunscreen, sunglasses, and things like that. They've got the speakers located up in there with USB charging ports as well. This 23L has the swing back seating arrangement. This table is a removable table. Those cup holders are portable cup holders that can be placed anywhere throughout the boat. The swing back seat offers an interior bench or a rear facing lounger. Like Scott was saying, this is going to have a 200 horsepower engine on the back, Mercury. It's a V6. We'll have a ski pylon as well. This boat does have the new lily pad ladder. I'm going to show this off a lot on these boats because this is just an excellent ladder. Easy to take in and out of the boat. Has huge tread pads to be able to get on. Let me take you over to the console, show you a little bit what we do here. This boat has the Simrad digital dash. This will show you chart plotter, GPS, all your engine data, fuel economy, and everything. Has the Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. Has the RBG interior lighting package. So things like your speakers and toe kick lighting are gonna light up. This one also does have the elevated console. Bennington does a really great job with bringing that throttle down alongside the driver for a very comfortable position. And absolutely one of my favorite floor plans and favorite color schemes for this year. I think this one's gonna go quick. It's a great looking boat. Excited to show it to you in person. Come by and see us at MarineMax in Greenville. Got about 35 Benningtons in stock.